So think of this as an update for your emotional and spiritual self that we're doing this morning. In the same way that mobile devices have constant software updates, we get to do that every Saturday morning here. Just, especially we're in this quarantine state, just to have a little play. So we're going to try a little something. Just listen to your heart. Everybody hold still, big smiles.
Takes a brave soul to admit you don't know. Takes a brave heart to be okay.
I got to really see areas where I was just holding myself back and totally break free of them.
Namaste, well done.
To be beautiful means to be yourself.